my dear brothers and sisters in Christ. This is Shiny with Jesus Bites, bringing you today's Gospel according to Matthew chapter 8, verses 18 through 22. Following Jesus. When Jesus saw large crowds around him, he gave the order to go to the other side of the sea. A scribe approached him and said, "Teacher, I will follow you wherever you go." Jesus told him, "Foxes have dens, and birds of the sky have nests, but the Son of Man has no place to lay his head." "Lord," another of his disciples said, "first let me go bury my father." But Jesus told him, "Follow me. Let the dead bury their own dead." The Gospel of the Lord. Let us now go live the Gospel. Have a blessed day. Ciao.